Hello, Cecha bhfuil mar fad. Tá mór géad míle fáilte arás go thank focus Thursday.
Well, I suppose it's not fáilte arás. It's fáilte don chéadúr.
Gon chéadúr. Yeah, this is a new thing. Thank focus Thursday. No, just we're delighted to see you all again. Agus tasúlan bhfuil go má. We said we do it on Thursday because we're a little bit busy tomorrow, and we will also be busy again next week. And next week is a more exciting busy because it is recording studio time. Woohoo! So in Chéad Seachtaine next week will be Thank Focus Thursday as well, the second installation of Thank Focus Thursday. But we will be back on the Fridays as well whenever we can. There's this week, next week, and then there's another week around in the June bank holiday weekend where we will have to go for a Thursday too.
I was trying to think what week you're talking about, but yeah, I know exactly what you mean.
So, but aside from that, so we'll keep you informed anyways. Liam, Jake, how are y'all doing, lads? Doing fine. As you can see, Keith isn't here tonight, and we're unsure as to whether he'll pop in or not because we've given him the night off, considering it is his 29th birthday. Would you believe?
A very important one.
A very important one.
It's also my next one, so I want to make it important.
It's a big one. So Keito, we might see him pop in. If he does, he might come in doing an impression of Cathal and Dahi. So if he is doing an impression of Cathal and Dahi, make sure to compliment him on his impression because I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful one.
For a second there, I actually didn't pick up on the joke at all, and I thought it meant Cathal or Dahi might be coming on. I was like, oh, really?
I wouldn't mind that now myself either, but Fire Neil. Well, Mata Shid and Shin, they can 100% pop in. There ain't no problems there. We'll get cracking with a classic, and a good old folk song. I'm sure. I think I have to change guitars. With you 2 seconds.
What are you opening with, Steph?
I suppose a good solid folk opener. By a band who have been stalwarts of the scene for many a year. People are very taken with this group.
Okay.
And have a number of great songs with great lyrical depth. And
you literally gave 5 or 6 sentences there and gave me no more information about the song you're doing.
No, you'll know straight away, Kev. You'll know straight away.
Okay, good. Right. I'll leave it to
you. Wait. This could be 1 second. No. All right. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah, everybody, rock your body right. Backstreet's back, alright. Oh my God, we're back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing. I'm gonna bring the flavor, show you how. Got a question for you, better answer now. Am I original? Yeah. Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah, everybody, rock your body right. Backstreet's back, alright, alright. Throw your hands up in the air, wave 'em round like you just don't care. If you wanna party, let me hear you yell. 'Cause we got it going on again. Am I original? Yeah. Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? No, not that. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body right. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah. but Backstreet's back. Alright. Well, alright. So everybody, everywhere, don't be afraid, don't have no fear. I'm gonna tell the world we understand. As long as the music will be coming back again. Well, everybody, yeah, yeah, rock your body, yeah, yeah. Everybody, yeah, rock your body right. Oh, Backstreet's back, alright. Oh yeah, Backstreet's back, alright. Backstreet's back, alright. And Backstreet's back, alright, 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 back, yeah. Thank you very much. So that was a little bit of
I enjoyed that a lot.
a wild Backstreet Boys there.
Big fan. Big fan of the Backstreet Boys, as they say in France.
Je massive fan.
Je massive fan of the Backstreet Boys.
Did you see Elvis? Did you see Elvis pop in there for a second or two? I think he went off again there.
He's not dead, man.
Is he? Yeah.
No.
Not just missed that.
He lives in the butts here in Kilkenny.
Have you got a tune for us on the old accordion?
I do, yeah.
I'd love to hear it.
I'm trying to think what to play.
Ennis Diamond's been in the news there. Did you see that?
Ennis Diamond was in the news. Why was it in the news, Stefan?
Because there was a
While you're doing that, I'm going to get the first couple of notes of that tune.
no matter. So Ennis Diamond was in the news there. Actually, I'm just going to take this into the pub actually because it seems like a bit of pub chat, doesn't it?
Yeah, do.
There. Oh, jeez, that feels good, lads. Straight back into the pub. Oh, I'm delighted now. But anyway, Ennis Diamond was in the news because an art piece was commissioned, and it was called Puka, which is kind of like it was a horse's head with kind of like the body of a puka, of a kind of a
didn't actually see this.
a goalie type creature. I saw it now. It's pretty cool, like. But I thought it was class, to be honest myself. But people of Ennis Diamond weren't happy with it anyway. They thought it looked a bit silly. So there was an uprising, I suppose, as it were, against Puka, poor old Puka.
Poor old Puka.
So I suppose you're going to have what was it again? The humours. The humours of Ennis Diamond.
Those are the humours of Ennis Diamond.
Well, Puka wasn't humouring the people of Ennis Diamond, I tell you that much.
humor's Vince Diamond there. My sleeve was so far rolled up there. I don't know if you noticed if my veins bulging out of my hand. I'd cut off the blood.
So your arm was just about to fall off there in the middle of the tune, was it?
Oh, it's starting to be painful to play now. And then just, if it's too far up, like just as you bend the elbow, it acts like a tourniquet.
Yeah. Well, at least you know if ever you got a nasty cut in your arm, you know what to do. Pick up the box and play those tunes with a really rolled up sleeve.
Or just bend my arm with a shirt on.
I suppose.
No, I didn't play box, man.
You could do that. But I think just to be on the safe side, you should probably play those two tunes.
Kelly says I need to. Kelly's the one who suggested that tune.
Great shout! Great shout!
Dick Gossip's real sometime, and offhand, I've never heard about it. But
What's
it
that
sounds
one?
like Dick Gossip sounds like a women's podcast.
Yes, Kev. Yeah.
Oh, good. Anyway, sorry.
That's almost as if you had that one ready to go.
No, I genuinely didn't.
I like that
just saw
joke.
it during the tune and I started laughing.
That's a good joke. That is a good joke.
Yeah.
Well,
Thanks.
Kev, I'll tell you, next week, as you know, surely at this stage, and as I know, we are going back into the studio. Baby.
I
And
can't wait, man.
I can't wait either. And do you know how that makes me feel?
Like dancing. Want to dance the night away?
Close.
I really wish it was that song you were about to play. It was a long
Yeah.
let's be honest. You make me feel like dancing. I know how it makes you feel because you picked that kick drum. Simena.
Or you make the noises, okay? 2, 3, 4.
I actually can't. Simena.
Come in earlier on yourself.
I don't know when it's meant to come in. Let alone how to time it.
Samina. Soca does give me my powers. AI make me jump and fat for hours. Online. Soca does give me my powers. AI drink my rum and share with others. Fat for hours. Soca powers. It's a wonderful feeling. Share with others. All my brothers and all my sisters. Today we make and we name. We party and sun and rain. We don't care what the people say. Watch the music hit my veins. So much power I can't explain. Until I cool again. No, me father take me away. All of my friends will say, I'm phenomenal. 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 AI. Oh yeah. Samina. Soca does give me my powers. Will turn me into masqueraders. Soca does give me my powers. Will draw me straight in different colors. Masqueraders, we get powers. It's a wonderful feeling. We stay together, holding me banners with different colors. We're crossing the stage. We party and sun and rain. We don't care what the people say. Watch the music hit my veins. So much powers I can't explain. Until I cool again. No, my father take me away. All of my friends will say, but I'm phenomenal. 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 We party and sun and rain. We don't care what the people say. Watch the music hit my veins. So much powers I can't explain. Until I cool again. No, my father take me away. All of my mates will say, hey, sure I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. Well, I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. AI, AI, AI. Post phenomenal. True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen. Standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. You ride the horse so well, hands light to the touch. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. When we ride into the night without a trace behind, run your claw along my gut one last time. Turn to face in empty space where we used to hide. Look for the cause that light the night with the teardrops in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Better right on by Christy Moore featuring Kevin Shortall on the mouth.
You missed a real opportunity to just like give me a message and just say Mike on.
Mute is
you.
yeah. I'm getting quite distracted by all the noise and burps and whistles that are going on.
By the delay that's caused by this video call.
Slán tú á, Chairde, slán tú á. Agus go mar sipa fád a céad. Agus Keith, lábre son na goite wach, ban go mar tú a céad wach. Oh, be dead.
Síl fad a bud mór bosnaden.
Síl fad a bud mór bosnaden. Vi me brean sin lafiad a Russ na rún. Agus dúirt ceann gona daoine ar Russ na rún. Á, chorg sí mád an thúna cac. All right, so there's this, just for people there to understand that, there's this, we have a friend from Connemara, Charlo, and he's filled with useful phrases in life, you know, and every now and again he comes out with a classic, and he came out with this one. So what it is it's Síl Fada Gubfloch Bosnaden is the traditional. So Síl Fada, long life, Gubfloch, wet mouth, Bosnaden. May you.
And that's all we ever say.
Die at home. That's all we ever say. But Charlie, we're sitting around out of nowhere, just Síl Fada Budmore Bosnaden. So may you have a long life. May you have a large, and may you die. Like may you die where you live, die where you're from. In a nice way. But yeah, that was. Kev, no, it's not a Heineken glass. Actually, it's just one of those empty, nothing glasses that the Guinness is in.
I actually thought it was a Budweiser glass for a minute.
No, it's just a standard glass you buy in like Homestrom or whatever.
Oh, okay, it's gas enough that like.
But thanks for
crossed
pointing
my
that out.
mind. Kevin commented.
What's it with Kevin's and picking out the wrong glass?
I don't know, man.
No, I would never ever drink Guinness out of a Heineken or Carlsberg or whatever. It has to be blank, preferably in the right glass, but blank will do too for me.
What's the right shape again? Is it tulip?
Tulip, yeah, as far as I'm aware. Anyway, that's the traditional one. But what was the other one we were saying there? See what the Budmore boss name. There was another one. Yeah. He was all. This wasn't Charlotte anyway.
This was in Western
this is Dinner King Tella. Lena Hobble. But they were talking about somebody that they weren't really too gone on, and turned around and said, "Oh, actually, man, they're going to cock," which means she'd put a dog with no arse shitting basically. She'd make a dog with no arse shit.
It's the most creative insult I've ever heard.
I love it. She mad the gun to cock. You have to say cock with a bit of depth as well.
Oh man.
Come on, Kev. Kev, it was good to see you this morning on the way into school. I was cycling in the morning and I saw
It's
Kev.
really confusing when you talk to someone in the comments called Kev.
Oh yeah, no, Kev Buckley. And Kev was out for those stroll.
Buckley, but I just mean that right there. I was just like, "What are you talking about, man? We're in different counties."
Yeah. We can travel though, which is great.
We can travel again.
Which is brilliant or fad. What, Kevy? Have you got another tune for us?
I do. I actually have one that someone messaged about a couple of weeks back, from one of the old Thank Folk It's Fridays. I'm going probably the original when they weren't even Thank Folk It's Fridays. What were they originally?
Tunes and a Tuesday, wasn't it? Tuesday tunes and a Tuesday, wasn't it?
Trad Tuesdays.
Tried tunes and Tuesdays, yeah, some of that.
Tunes and Tuesdays.
Tuesday.
Me. If only my name began with T, with a T-U-E even. I played the Kilkenny Races, right? You've heard it before, definitely. And someone messaged in saying I left a part out, and I did. In fact, I went back and checked, and I left a part out. And you think I'd know the Kilkenny Races being from Kilkenny, but
this is a well built up, long time coming redemption, is it?
Well, it's one that someone must have been watching back on some of the streams, because it's only recently it was said to me. So it's not a grudge I've been holding.
Well,
I'm gonna get that right.
Feels like you've buried this one deep now, Kevin. It's about to come off. You're about to play the fingers off yourself, I say now, yeah?
So what happened is I'm going to play it. I have to play it for a couple of dancers for something in Kilkenny here.
Yeah.
And so I went back to it, and then that immediately reminded me of the comment, which made me go back and check. So I'll play it now.
All right, looking forward to it. It's called the Kilkenny Races.
Yeah, so it's a set dance. So it's it's a 3-part set dance, and you'll usually see it in most big Irish dancing competitions and stuff. It would be a one of choice that a lot of people would dance, because usually you're given the opportunity to choose what you have to dance a jig and a reel in those competitions, and then a set dance you can choose which set dance you want to go for. So set dances can be set to the timing of a hornpipe, but they don't follow the structure of a hornpipe always. There could be a little appendix stuck on the end of it, or gazebo.
And do you have to kind of make that up in the hornpipe? Maybe play a part twice or something like that?
No, I'm talking about dancers dancing it. For music competitions, you'd have the choice between doing a set dance and a slow air. It's up to you whichever one you want to do. So you can do a big slow one. I'm going to play it a little bit quicker because it is it's long enough. So I'll just play a bit of it. Yeah. Played about 3 times faster than it normally is for dancers, but it's just a nice tune, I think, and nice to see that there's one tune from Kilkenny that's clearly from Kilkenny and still quite popular.
So, Kev, my question for you now is: Did you get the part that you left out last time in?
Yeah, it's just that last part.
So, would you say that you got your redemption?
I would. I definitely would. An important week for the song you're about to play as well.
Exactamundo. That's my segue. I'm sticking to it. So this week was the 40th anniversary of the passing of the mighty Bob Marley, a fella who I have loved for a long time. Just really, really, really good music, relaxed music, powerful music too. So I'm going to play probably his finest, one of his finest songs, but I'll give everyone a piece of advice, or not even a piece of advice, but like an idea. That if you want to just relax for a while, I would advise sitting down on, or lying down on a bed or on a couch or something where the sun is beating in through the window on top of you, if you're able to do that, or even outside in the sun. Stick on some headphones and listen to Africa Unite by Bob Marley. It's such a tune, like.
I've done exactly that a few times. It's
just such a good way to cheer yourself up. I used to do it when I came home from school when I was studying for my leaving cert. I was maybe just wanted to just relax for a while. That was it. But I won't play that one tonight. I'm going to play Redemption. Oh, pirates, yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We fought in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Oh, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, these songs of freedom, redemption songs. Redemption songs, redemption songs. Cry. No woman, no cry. Say, 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 say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say, 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 say. We said I remember when we used to say, well, in the government's yard in Trenchtown, well, of observing those hypocrites as they would mingle with the good people we meet. All good friends we've had, all good friends we've lost, well, along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say, and no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say, 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 say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say, 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 say. Said I remember when we used to sit, well, in the government's yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie would make the fire light as it would. The long one would burn it through the night, and we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'd share with you. And my fear So I got to push on through. But while I'm gone, I'm singing, everything is gonna be alright. 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 Everything is gonna be alright, yeah. Everything is gonna be alright. No woman, no cry. But no, no woman, no cry. Well, I ain't it, darling. Don't shed no tears now. No woman, no cry. Say, ooh. Get the Bob. Get the Robert O'Malley. Bit of Bob there first. For the week that's in it, I suppose. Some great songs, in fairness to him.
Get the big Bob.
Get the big Bob.
Come on, I was watching you on the telly downstairs and I said I'll join you for a beer.
Ah, Jesus, go way out there, yeah.
I have a single tinning.
Ah, lovely. Lovely. Ah, Jenny Mac. So just a quick note as well. We are heading back into studio next week and in 3 weeks also. So 2 sessions. And again, that's all thanks to you guys out there for supporting us over the last few months and keeping the show on the road, as they say. I'll put the link in here for the tip jar again if anyone feels like they want to tip. But as always, there's absolutely no pressure whatsoever. It's not we don't want to put any pressure or anything at all, but we just we do appreciate it and we put it out there, and if you fancy it, and it's all good.
Blind Boy says it's a soundness model.
It's a soundness model, yeah.
If you can afford to give something, do. You can't, you're helping pay for someone else to watch it.
yeah. No, so thanks.
Whatever.
Yeah. No, it's all good. Thank you so much. But yeah. So as people are mentioning there, Jay, is it Friday already? Good to see you, Jay. We see you regularly on here, so good to see you. It's not Friday. I can confirm. It's nothing to do with time difference or anything either. It's just a simple case that we're a little bit busy tomorrow, and the next week as well we will also be busy. Next week we're going into studio, and also in 3 weeks. So there will be 3 Thank Focus Thursdays, and maybe more over the next while, depending on if the studio and stuff like that coming up too. So it's all good. It's all good.
Can't wait.
I'm so excited. Like we had a session there recently where we were able to kind of run through a few different things and get things started, and we're like 90% there with a good number of songs at this stage, and it's just basically a case.
We're 90% there with 70% of the album.
yeah, exactly. And we don't want to get too far, because when you get into studio, for us anyway, we leave a little bit for game day as well, you know. So they're never fully ready until we get in there and start playing with stuff in the right environment and stuff like that. So it's massive. Like, as in, Oro came entirely from that. We had nothing ready for Oro when we went in to record that. Like, so that was well, I suppose we did have the actual a cappella of the song. So maybe we had 10% of Oro going in and did 90 in the studio. Shularoon, I'd say, we only had, I would say, 50, maybe 60% of Shularoon done before we went into the studio.
I'd say 50, 60.
Yeah, whereas now we're up at maybe around, like, I'd say 80. I said 90 earlier, but maybe I'm not wrong with that. But then again, it could change entirely. We could come out and be like, we did something completely different to what we had thought. And that's the beauty of recording, and we absolutely love every opportunity we can get to go recording. And because it's because you're creating stuff that's going to be there forever, basically, and that's what it's all about, I think. Well, in one sense, that's a big part of it anyway, for sure.
Oh, 100%. And like the fact that it's crazy. Like I know you already said it, but the fact that Thank Focus Friday pays for that, or Thank Focus Thursday now pays for us to be able to get back into studio. Like usually we'd have to be on tour gigging to pay for our studio time, you know. So
Yeah,
it's
absolutely,
like,
absolutely.
part of the cool, as the fellow says in French.
Jay made a comment there. It'd be interesting to watch a creative process in a studio. We can absolutely do a small bit in that.
Oh yeah,
We could for sure. Yeah, but it's something worth thinking about. We wouldn't want it to put in too much on what we're doing, I suppose, for the focus. But definitely we can arrange something like that. That's
well,
actually a very good idea.
Like, I was thinking that before. Like even if we had someone just filming while we're in there.
Yeah, just kind of taking a few bits and bobs. Oh, we have lost Kev. Kevin has gone entirely. He was in the middle of something very, very important, I'm sure. But it's okay. He'll be back soon. And when he does come back, he'll play us a tune, I'm sure. But in the meantime, I will play a song. So do fire in some requests, songs that you might want to hear that we've been doing over the last while, or maybe new ones, new ideas. Do you know what I want to do? I'll take out... I have a song here that I was going to do tonight. It's a different one. Just kind of looking... I get a different instrument this time. One I haven't played in a while. I don't know if I've ever used this on the new and improved Thank Focus Fridays. I know I played it certainly with the other ones, but it's not an instrument that I really play that often, to be honest. But it's not a particularly wonderful instrument as well, so there might be a bit of a buzz. Oh, I might be able to ground it there. Is she coming in, or is that just... Doesn't look like it's coming in from the microphone at all, or from the... It is now, but there's a bit of a buzz, so we'll make do. Okay, haven't played the song in a while actually, so... Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney tops is where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, oh, why can't someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top is where you'll find me, oh, somewhere I am the dreams that you dare to. Oh, why can't I see trees of green and red roses too. I'll see 'em blooming for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and the clouds of white, the brightness of day and the dark say good night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Not sure this one. I have a dream I wish would come true, that I am here with thee, and I am here with you. I wish that the stars shining up in the sky bring me somebody to love. I have a dream I wish would come true, that you're here with me, and I'm here with you. Oh, I wish that the stars shining bright in the sky would send me somebody to love. Send me somebody to love. I'm not so sure about that last one there. I don't know if anyone knows it. Do you recognize that last one? Hey, Kevin, you're back.
Well, I was about to give it away then. So
give it away now. Right into the comments if you can recognize the last one. I wasn't so sure about it myself.
A lot of people do recognize it.
Oh, they already got it. Cool.
Well, they're just saying the lyrics, but I would imagine.
Yeah, no, because I actually don't remember the lyrics, so I just kind of made them up as I was going. I learned that one for next week, maybe. I think actually.
It's for anyone who doesn't know what it is. It's probably the best Disney short there is.
Yeah, it's class. It's right before Moana.
Controversial statement, but I think it's unreal.
It's brilliant. Send me somebody to love. That's a great one. In fairness, I'll get it right for next week. Kevy, I will tune on Queen.
Play a couple of harps. Stick with the theme of the night.
What did you say? Sorry.
Current people.
Could it? Oh yeah. Oh, but Jesus Christ. I'm assuming more to show.
Play a couple of hornpipes for our set dance.
And that hornpiper too would be great.
I've been playing them this week anyway for getting ready for a couple of dancers. Well, more than a couple. There's about 10 dancers. It'd be nice to actually meet up and do things like that again.
Absolutely. I mean, do you remember when we played the Ceilidh over in Italy with Umberto and Jean Dice?
Yeah, I do.
I really enjoyed that.
It was a bit of crack. It was a lot bigger than I was expecting.
Yeah. It was good fun though.
It was.
It was very much kind of pulling it together. Yeah, we pulled it off, yeah, for sure. I had to really upgrade or learn a lot of tunes that I had never played or anything like that. So it was good.
I know, yeah. I know, like, as in, even just with what it was, I was like, we need two more waltzes. Okay, trying to think. We used Galway Bay, the song, as one of the waltzes because
Because we didn't have as many, yeah.
we didn't have as many as we needed.
Because they had quite a lot of waltzes, I do remember.
Yeah, and we had to cut out the little extra section of Galway Bay to make it work for the dancing. So like an extra 2 bars or something played after the chorus.
Yeah. It was good crack. It was good crack. I really enjoyed that trip actually. And we were booked in, of course, to that festival with them with before, but obviously with the way things are at the moment, we weren't able to do it.
Wasn't it literally when Lombardy was overflowing with COVID cases?
Yeah, it was May of last year. I remember it.
May of last year, and we were just coming back from Australia.
Yeah, it was supposed to be straight back from Australia, over to Italy, over to Scotland, straight into the Irish tour. It would have been great, like.
Straight into the Irish tour and then over to America. We would have been so busy.
Oh my God, yeah, that's right. It was Australia, Italy, Scotland, Irish tour, American tour. Everything gone. But anyway.
And instead,
hornpipes.
At least something good came from it.
Yeah, exactly. No, not good. A lot good came from it in many ways. Like the amount we've learned over the last year has certainly developed it developed us a good bit. Like I will say for sure. So
absolutely, 100%.
But
we got a bit more innovative with our remote working.
Definitely, and the fact and just discovering the whole Thank Folk It's Friday/Thursday family and all that, I wouldn't have come about. So thanks very much to everybody out there listening and playing and help tipping us and all that kind of stuff and just getting involved in that. Like there's a great community here. I'm delighted with it. Which Disney princess would the lads be, or which of the 7 dwarfs? That's a great question. Liam Jake. I read the question, didn't know who it was. So who's that? Liam Jake. Of course it was Liam Jake.
Of course it is.
What an unbelievable question.
Which Disney princess?
Prisoners. Which Disney princess would you be, Kev?
Prisoners.
I
don't know. Which Disney princess would you be?
Yeah. What kind of a princess would you be, man?
I don't know, man. Pocahontas.
You always like Pocahontas?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Lisa's favourite princess as well.
Painting with all the colours of the wind.
Yeah, few cool things there, right? That's a tough one. It's a very tough one. Stick in what you think, everybody. What you probably more kind of better placed to pick princess.
7 dwarves. I'll follow my own sword here, and I'll take Dopey.
Is there a hornpipey? Is there?
You're probably happy.
What do you reckon?
What's Keith or Dahi?
Is there a hangry? Because either of them could be that.
We'll go. Well, there is an angry, isn't there? Or grumpy. So.
Nah, I wouldn't be grumpy. I wouldn't say grumpy.
That's not the same thing.
That's not the same thing.
Well, we'll say hangry. If there was a hangry, Keith is hangry.
Yeah.
And
is there a drunk? Is there a drunk?
Dahi's either drunk or overcautious.
Oh, bashful. Maybe Dahi be bashful.
Bashful's an excellent one for Dahi.
Yeah, actually, that's definitely Dahi's bashful. Yeah.
This is like, is there a humble?
Is there a really nice?
Let's just think of adjectives we'd like to be called.
Anyway, Kev, go on for the old hornpipe there.
Hornpipes.
This next one, I'll do the song afterwards, and I'll be welcoming in a guest. So, Lisa B.
What's that?
I need a guest appearance for the next song as well. So if Lisa B is listening.
Oh, I know the song.
Go on, Kev.
It's picture. You're just on the screen, Stephen.
Fucking scratching myself and everything. Jesus. Go on.
Ooh. That was almost 3 minutes of Stefan watching me play and you hearing my mic. So thankfully it wasn't. There are two hornpipes. Where did I hear them? I'm going to lie to you if I tell you where I heard them. But anyway, I don't know if Stefan's ready with his guest yet. I don't know if that was a thumbs up or a carry on. It was a thumbs up. Okay, excellent. So say a big hello to Lisa B and the Boogeyman.
Whoa, what's the crack?
What's the story?
Lisa, can you hear Kev there? Through my earphone? No, she can't. Shout there, Kev.
Hello.
No, not at all.
She can't hear.
He said, "Oh."
Not even lifted.
But,
hello and welcome to another week of Thank Focus Thursday.
Just about to go to bed. Right, we'll give this one a crack. Or let Lisa get back. You ready?
Sure, listen, I'll give you the floor.
Right,
I don't even know why I'm here.
I don't know either.
I love the song. I don't
people
want
were
to sing
talking
it.
about Disney and then we just said, heck it, let's do it.
I want to sing it live.
Okay. I see what's happening here. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. It's nice to see the humans never change. Open your eyes and let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot to hear the vibe when you're staring at a demigod. What can I say except you're welcome for the ties, the sun and the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. What is two thumbs that pulled up the sky when you were wild and yay high? This guy, when the nights got cold, he stole you fire from down below. You're looking at him, yo, oh. Also I lasso the sun. You're welcome to stretch the days and bring you fun. Also I harness the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. What can I say except you're welcome for the islands I pull from the sea. Little need to pray, it's okay, you're welcome. I guess that's just my way of being me. You're welcome, you're welcome. Yeah.
Come to think of it.
Hey, honestly,
Yeah,
I can go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was my way, just messing around. I killed a Neil, I buried his guts, sprouted a tree, never got coffee nuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's in the breakaway. And the tapestry here on my skin is a map of the pictures I win. Look where I've been and make everything happen. Look at that me, Maui, just give it a go. Ha, 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 hey! Well, anyway, it's okay. You're welcome for the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's a day to say you're welcome. Cause I'm gonna need that boat sailing away, away, you're welcome. Cause Maui can't do anything but float. You're welcome, you're welcome.
And thank you.
Yes.
And thank you. I keep looking there, but the camera's there. Bye.
Bye.
Kill ya. Come on, guys.
Oh God, fair play, Lise. I don't know how you managed that. We haven't done that in months. Alexa, play your welcome. Oh, she's got
That
to
was
get.
class.
Oh, we actually have not done that in literally months. Back in the first lockdown, we watched the shit out of Moana over and over, just to learn that song. But
It's a solid film. We
It's
watched
great
the movie over and over. We didn't just play the song.
no, then we did. We watched the movie loads, and then we did throw in the song on repeat. Then after that, it was like basically it got to a point where we were like, Alexa, and she'd be like, fine, I'll play it again.
Yeah. Coming.
Oh, that's the wrong one there, but oh yeah, sure. Here, there we go from Joanne Hartfield. Lisa, that was great. You sing more often. Lisa, if you're listening. And then we got Barbie all the way from Australia. Barbie, great to see you. Barbie, do you mind telling us what time it is over there now? Because I kind of got lost in the whole Australian time there, because we had a time shift and you guys had a time shift around the same area.
Some states do daylight savings, some states don't.
Yeah,
weird.
it kind of went it went a bit haywire there.
Threw
for a
me for 6.
while. It ended up being the case where we were incredibly early in the morning for Australia, but
Yeah.
yeah. So I don't know what the crack is now. So the newest member of Shaolin is Lucy. Yeah, for sure.
7 a.m. Barbie says.
What'd you say? 7:07.
Just
Oh my god.
after
So
7, yeah.
so 10. So it's 6 a.m. for you when we start. Barbie, can we say the most committed? The most committed for sure of all the Thank Focus Friday or / Thursday gang. Barbie, thank you so much for your support. You're an absolute legend. Hope yourself and John are keeping well. But yeah,
Fingers crossed to be back over this side of the water to catch
Yeah.
a couple of gigs soon.
yeah, you're due to visit at some point. You're due to visit last year, and whenever you do, then yeah, we certainly have to show you a few bits and bobs, a few hidden gems of this beautiful land that we've travelled a good
To
bit.
be
Of
honest
the
with you,
stage.
I think Barbie and John have seen more of the country than we have.
Well, in
They can
fairness,
nearly show us around, to be honest with you, at this stage.
yeah. Yeah, we were talking about the other day about how, like, if you had to pick the 7 wonders of Ireland, what would you have? There's a few givens, like, like Giant's Causeway,
Yeah.
the Cliffs of Moher, Newgrange.
Some more. Newgrange is one that's always overlooked. It's one of the
Yeah.
oldest structures in the world.
It's older than
Like,
the Egyptian
fully
pyramids. It's 5,000 years old, like estimated
Yeah.
around 5,000 years old, which is older than the Egyptian pyramids, like, which is just mental. But like,
Insane.
there's plenty of other things. But like, is there anything else that stands out as a wonder? Do you know, like, kind of wonder
Someone's
quality?
saying here the Hill of Tara.
It's just a hill, though. Like,
It is, yeah, with a few rings on it.
yeah, like, it's nice. Don't get me wrong.
Ring of Kerry. There, Francis Farrell in with Ring of Kerry.
But that's not a thing as such. It's more of an area. Do you know what I mean?
It's an area, yeah, I know what you're saying. Well, like, yeah, I suppose the Wicklow Mountains is one as well, like, in that it's like the Garden County and all that. The Burren would be one.
Burren for sure. Actually, yeah, that's a really unique region. Yeah,
Um,
that could be one. Yeah.
trying to think. What did you have? You had the Giant's Causeway, Newgrange,
And
the Burren,
Cliffs of Moher.
Cliffs of Moher.
And then it
well, I
could be-
suppose,
Mhm.
like, aren't the 7 wonders of the world? They're not all man-made, are they?
They're the modern wonders. No, so like, well, they are all man-made.
They are
Actually, they are all man-made. Yep, yeah, they are.
Also, yeah. Well, we're not going with the exact rules. We're just thinking 7
Yeah,
big
so
sites
actually,
in there.
they are all actually man-made. We're going for the natural wonders of Ireland, so I suppose. Plus because Newgrange is
Plus Newgrange.
man-made, and if you wanted to throw Glendalough in there too, that would be
Skellig,
man-made.
Skellig Mickle.
Skellig for sure. Skellig. I would put it up there, and I suppose it's kind of gained that since Star Wars and that kind of thing. It's always been amazing, obviously, but like, so Star Wars has given it a bit more of a profile. Stefan Swede, good night, my friend. Thank you very much for tuning in, and yeah, sure, we'll see you. Is next week is Thursday as well, so we'll see you maybe next Thursday. And thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it a lot. But do have a think about that, and or Kev, have you got a tune for us, or do you want to play a song?
You fire into a song there. I'll play in a second.
No bother at all. I will.
I'm still trying to. I'm racking my brains now because, like, you could pick castles all over the country, but that's the problem. They're all over the country.
Yeah,
There's
and you kind of have to go for one. If you're to go for the
Yeah.
one castle, it would probably be Glendalough. Or the one round tower. I suppose that's not.
Around Tower, yeah.
Yeah, like castle wise, Kilkenny
Kilkenny
Castle, or then you
See,
can argue
Kilkenny Castle is, but like again, there's
Dublin Castle,
7 or 8 more castles very like it. do you know?
which is the one that stands out.
I think they're all kind of.
I think Kilkenny
Pretty much
Castle, do you know, because I would go with Kilkenny Castle maybe. I think it's like, it has this really old medieval feel to it. Whereas like Dublin Castle, I know it's probably as old, if not older, or whatever. But like,
Yeah, I know it's modernized. Yeah,
yeah. Hard on. It's a hard one.
Is this
You'd have to mix the naturals with the man-mades for this.
I think
for that, for
so.
sure.
Yeah.
But I'll sing a song, and a Ewan McCall song, and I'll accompany myself with this little Lurgan instrument.
Go home with you.
Even though I can't plug it in or anything, so I'm just gonna have to go with the mic.
I actually did that very prematurely there.
You're grand. You're grand. Grand song. Can you hear it there, or is it a bit wonky or something?
Some people were commenting that when yourself and Lisa were singing, it was low, but I'm guessing that's because you were sharing a mic and you were kind of moved back.
Yeah, we were moved back a bit, alright, for sure.
The banjo is a little bit low, but there you go, that's better.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be too high either, I suppose. The banjo.
Yeah,
It's not going to be played too well, like. I met my love by the gasworks wall. I dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town was a dirty old town. And clouds are drifting across the moon. Cats are prowling on their beat. There springs a girl from the streets at night. Dirty old town was a dirty old town. I heard a siren from the docks. I saw a train set the night on fire. I smelled the spring on the smoky wind. Dirty old town, it was a dirty old town. I'm gonna make me a good sharp axe with shining steel tempered in the fire. I'll chop you down like an old dead tree. Dirty old town, it was a dirty old town. I met my love by the gasworks wall. I dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. It was a dirty old town. It was a dirty old town. It was a dirty old town. Dirty old town. Did the police come in there? Oh, it's just waved, I think, maybe. But yeah, that was an old Ewan McCall song. Whenever he sang it, he always kind of sang it a cappella, I think, or just kind of without much, very stripped back. And I kind of like that. With that song, for sure. Well, hola, Kevin. Han tú harnáis. Han tú harnáis, Will.
There was a good comment in there. It's like, can we watch Kevin while Stefan plays this time? 1 second.
Jesus. Oh, so.
It was very funny, to be fair. You just kind of sat there smiling and scratching.
I was looking at you, Kev, as well, but I was looking at you on the small screen for some reason. I suppose you weren't on the big one. And I was like, here's Kevin now. Here's Kevin now. Oh, Jesus Christ. You!
Oh, jiggers. How bad, huh?
How
if that's
bad,
the worst mistake you make this week, Stefan, you've done a good job.
But yes, if you do want to tip our interesting behavior and songs and stuff, you may do so. PayPal.me/Sholin. it's you guys that have literally enabled us to go back recording in the studio in 2 weeks and again, or sorry, next week and again in 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So this next album has got to have a bit of a little thank you to Thank Focus Friday, the Friday crew, or the Crackheads maybe as a chorus. We might even put that on the sleeve just in case people get the wrong idea. But
Just thanks to the Crackheads.
the Crackheads have sorted us out big time.
Great for inspiration.
But seriously though, thank you so much, really, really and truly. It's very, very, very much appreciated. You langers, says Wendy Wiseman. You langers. And the cock they do call me a langer. A langer.
What's it? That was a good point, isn't it? John Credence from Cork, isn't he?
He is.
Am I right in saying that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was him who said this, and like he said, it's really annoying because he's from Cork, everyone calls him a langer.
Yeah.
But he made the very, very well-made point. Valid point, yeah, probably is a better way of putting it. That Cork people call people that aren't from Cork langers.
So
it's not the Cork people that are the langers.
it's literally, so someone calls him a langer, he's like, you're wrong on a lot. You're wrong on a lot of fronts here.
Don't get me wrong, they use it for people from Cork who are just annoying or whatever as well. But like, yeah, that's well. Listen, I'm only taking it from him. I'm not from Cork, so maybe I'm wrong in what I'm relaying here. But that's what John said.
Any Cork people there in the comments who are willing to jump in and
to correct or confirm me?
Yeah, because we're out of our depth a bit too, you know. Yeah, but just before you go on, Kev, just to let
I'm not sure what I did that this is about. Really, Kev?
Or maybe it's really Kev.
Maybe it's about John Creedon and the Langers.
Anyway, just quick highlight there that this coming Sunday, Roscommon.
You're going to iron the flag.
The Rossies are playing against Dublin in the first round of the league. We are massive underdogs with this, which is just to put it out there. But I have a feeling that we're going to win. I have a feeling. I've said it there. If you're going to cast the Dubs,
broke up for me there, Steph. Who are you playing?
The Dubs, Dublin.
The Dubs.
The
very
Dubs.
good. Oh, sorry. Can I also just before we move on? It's been cleared up. It was really Kev was the Belch, and that was a very fake Belch. I was impersonating Stefan.
Well, I didn't do that.
I'll have you on. We don't know that you did or didn't because you were muted, and all you could hear was my accordion.
Well, I did something worse. I scratched myself. But Roscommon playing against Roscommon are playing against Dublin this week. And if you're going to catch the Dubs, the only time you're going to catch them is early in the league. So that's enough of my theory. But the Dubs were out.
Do you know what? I think you're right. Catch them early in the league and get in their heads for when you meet them later down the line.
Hopefully, yeah. We're meeting the All-Ireland final.
That's it.
Right, Kev, tune us up there.
Tune you up. Now, I had another few bits written down. What are you laughing about, Stefan?
I saw Rebecca saying, yeah, I need to iron the flag.
Yeah, it's fairly creased there now. Your mother would be disgusted.
Disgusted.
What did I play? I had tunes in my head earlier. And he's gone.
That's your sound check.
That's my sound check, literally. And the sound engineer says, play something. I say,
you know that one? Is there a tune to that?
No.
It'd
be awkward to play a tune to it, actually, because it's not the most natural movement.
You could go. Oh, that's it. Here we go in our greens, and there's a trophy with the cock apart in our job.
Do you remember doing that one?
Yeah. In the merry month of May.
Oh, she started
Down
the rocky road.
on the way to Dublin. Go on. Tune.
You did something earlier in a dub accent actually, and I meant to comment on it, but anyway, I'll think of it later. Kev, can you or Stefan play No Nay Never? The Wild Rover, is it?
Yeah, we could. And I spent all me money on whiskey and beer. I could get them. I never no more. You never no more. If you want to do a tune there, yeah. If
I'll play.
I,
Yeah, I will. I'm going to
yeah.
the tune here now, and you.
I'll
look
get
up
that ready.
the
I'll get. Yeah.
lyrics. Got a bit excited there at the end, but anyway, we got there. I wonder, has Stiff looked up? It looks to me now. I know nobody else can see this, but the Stefan's in a little box in the corner of my screen, and very clearly practicing the Wild. Well, I'm going to guess it's the Wild Rover. He might confirm or deny. Hang on, let's see. Can I bring Stiff? I'm going to bring you back in.
You might.
I can't hear you. Oh, there you are.
Back
Can
in.
you confirm or deny what my guess was?
I didn't actually hear what you were saying there for a second because I was trying to get.
Did you not?
No, sorry. What did you say there?
I said you're in a little box in the corner of my screen, and I was guessing that you were practicing the Wild Rover.
Aye, you were right, bye. Or very correct. I'll give her a crack here now. I'll try. I'll play around with the chords a bit and see what comes out. Might be nice.
Do, lovely.
Oh, that needs to be unmuted. Very loud. Hey, yeah. Well, I've been a Wild Rover for many's the year, and I've spent all my money on whiskey and beer. Now I'm returning with gold and great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, raise up your son, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. Well, I went to an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady my money was spent. And I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such a custom as yours I can have any day. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. Well, I brought from my pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. Said, I have some whiskies and wines of the best, and the words you had told me were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. I go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and I'll ask them to pardon their prodigal son. When they've caressed me as oft times before, I will never play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. That was for, was it K0 Kyanchan? KZ from Kyanchan? This from Kyanchan? Was it Liam Jake, was it?
Yes, Liam Vian.
Like in William Bugs of Fullerton. Bit of a different version of that one, alright? But
It was a nice one.
yeah,
Lovely.
it's nice one to mess around with the chords, alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it is cool. Sorry, I'm talking to Anne Reading, and Liam followed up that with his mother and grandparents travelled a few hours by car yesterday. His granddad and mum kept requesting Shularoon and Oro, well, the other way around. They absolutely love them, which is pretty cool to hear, to be honest with you. So,
Well,
thanks, Liam.
let's give it a go, so. Straight away. Shul, shul, shularoon. Shul go socket ag shul go kune. Shul go teresag zelalom. Squidgy to a fooling slum. Wish I was on yonder hill. There I would sit and cry my fill, till all my tears would turn a mill. Squidgy to a fooling slum. Shoo, shoo, shoo. go sakit agus siúl go ciún. Siúl go daras agus éile lom. Is go tí tú a bhúnín slán. Would sell my rock, I'd sell my reel, would sell my only spinning wheel to take away the sword of steel. Squidgy to a booning song. Shul, 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 aroon. Shul go socket, aga shul go tune. Shul go dere agus ilelom. Squidgy to a booning song. Shul, shul, shularoon. Shul go socket agus shul go ciún. Shul go daras agus ilelom. Squidgy to a bhúnín slán. Squidgy to a bhúnín slán. There now. There's a lot of buzzing.
Go hauling you. You do that one lovely, Steve. Is that a new one?
It's a new one, yeah.
Where could I find that if I wanted to listen to it again?
Well, Kevin, if you wanted to listen to the full version, including a beautiful accordion player, a beautiful accordion player who's also quite good on the accordion, a great drummer, a great bassist, and a wonderful little piano player, you can do so by going on to Spotify or Apple Music or Amazon Music or YouTube and just search in Seolinn, Seolinn, and
No way.
Shularoon, S-I-U for the I-L, A-R-E for the N, Shularoon.
Lovely.
That was a long answer, wasn't it?
It was a long answer, and it's almost as if you had it prepared.
I was
Well
going to
done.
make
You speak very fluently, Steve.
Oh, thank you.
Off the cuff.
I've been
Yeah,
practicing.
you know.
I've been practicing for the last 31 years, actually.
Oh, very good.
Although
Yeah,
I
you're
got off.
back.
I did get off to a rocky start for the first 6 or 7. My grammar was all over the place.
The Pacific Ocean was the Pacific Ocean. It was just terrible.
Yeah. But Carol, baby, some birds come in with creds, which usually sound like creds. You can hear that, can you?
Yeah, that was cool with the reverb. I think your room just got bigger at the
Doesn't
click
sound
of a
like
button.
Oh. It's all fake.
We're not even a band.
The reason we're so mad to get into studios because we just want to get the guy in the studio to do everything for us.
Yeah, it'll make us sound good.
I could do ORO seeing as haven't done that one in a while actually.
Oh yeah, do yeah.
Yeah, and then we go straight in with a tune from you then.
I'll do another couple of tunes then.
Actually, I might do ORO. Or do you want to play a tune and I'll set up the piano here or the keyboard and I'll do it on that.
Oh, you're doing all with a keyboard, are you?
Ooh.
Get a bit carried away with yourself thinking you're a musician or something.
Well, you see, Kev, it's all about the instrumentation, and it's very interesting to me the different sounds that you can get from different instruments on different songs. What do you think yourself?
And, you see.
Yeah, well, I'm not so sure about your opinion, really. So.
Perfect.
Oh, sorry. What happened to me there? I'm sorry. I don't know. My hat went backwards and something weird happened.
Hat went backwards and just locked into your brain. Took over.
Right, go on. Should play that now tune and I'll be ready to back then.
I will. Love this music. Thanks. I love it too. There's loads of tunes that I'm getting back to recently that I've been enjoying. Stiff, you've literally changed around your whole room.
Well, I just pulled the piano from beyond the wall, but that should be loud enough.
Lovely.
We see how we go. That was class. That was Church Ladies, obviously. Great tune.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of it.
I was messing around with a few different chords there on the guitar while you were playing away.
Oh yeah.
I have a few ideas for some of the parts.
There you go.
Yeah.
We'll talk.
Can your people please talk to my people?
I know. I was just gonna say I'll have your people call my people. Francis can ring Evelyn.
What was that?
Francis can ring Evelyn.
Exactly, yeah. People. My people. Right, okay, let's see how this will go. What's that chord?
Right, I'll give you the floor.
Oro shidova uale, oro shidova uale, oro shidova uale. Hanisher hachton tauri, shidova van balen. Beyard klechtove in even de juchivra shelef mer lach tilta leshna goli oro shidova uale oro shidova uale oro shidova Wala nisher hachton tauri Shehida van balem Beyar grechtuve in even the juhivra Shelef merlach tilta leshna golif Oro shidova uale oro shidova uale oro shidova uale nisher hachton tauri a gron yuileg tachtar sol ogli armele mar gorde Gweili den is ni Frank na Spanish Kurashid Brui Ger Khalif Oro Shidova Uale Oro Shidova Uale Oro Shidova Uale Nisher Achton Tauri A wheelerine vart govekjem Murmin bjoven jiach schachten Gron juil samile gashkis kudashit Rui ger halef Oro shidova wale Oro shidova wale Oro shidova wale nisher achton tauri Oro shidova wale Oro shidova wale Oro shidova wale nisher acht on tauri
Lovely.
It's always like because I don't play piano that often, so it's always like, oh, I'm probably gonna hit something wrong here. But it's like coming
That's half the crack, though, Steph.
and then I'm trying to
That's
think.
nice.
I'm trying to think of what chord could I do that differently, just to kind of mix up with, and then I hit the wrong one entirely. So it's like going B minor to G to A, and then it goes down to E minor, and then I ended up hitting that one at some point as well, which is F.
Sounds very Elton John move.
Yeah, which yeah. So it'd be like Oro shidaba vale, oro shidaba vale, oro shidaba vale. What kind
Yeah, you're about to modulate and key change back.
Nisherak dun tauri. Spahawala, Nisherak dun tauri. Oro shadvahawala, oro shadvahawala, oro shadvahawala, Nisherak dun tauri. Something like that. So weird.
It's a bit of a crowbar.
Awala, Nisherak dun tauri.
It was just me and you.
Seeing as I have it out, I may as well play one more on this, and I'll put it back there.
Okay.
Then we get a tune from you then.
Yep. Go hauling you.
All right. Bloody Ripper.
I'll give you back to the floor.
Right. Lo the kasu kalindas and huignes na dra lo up na kalles glische wood evarem la she on fragged along she long go cuna goes go tla on seal na gal agus bogo mish on sushin bon sma vin too long a story na free Smá vín tú lombi lombo skóren tí Smá vín tú lom skerla ga hórlach det frí sé má víle krok nach lom de down the tumor free O the vise shall immochel drum verri O the vise shall agus dimmer in Cortlem ri O the vise shall dimmer on kuik nu free Leger yarnan van sho young lungo om free Smá vín tú lom belong a story na chrí Smá vín tú lom belong o skóren tí Smá vín tú lom skerla ga hórlach det chrí sé má víle krok nach lom de down tú mar frí Smá vín tú lom belom a story na chrí Smá vín tú lom skerlom an dóni seo mar frí Smá vín tú lom skerla ga hórlach det frí sé má víle krok nach lom de down tú mar frí sé má víle krok nach lom de down Le tout Marvry. Been a Casa and Tugan.
It's a very nice one.
Yeah, I love that one. Really do. Very cool.
We're gonna see. I've been liking it, Stephen.
You know yourself. It's a grand song. Very on board.
She Burns has been requested stiff as well.
I can give that one a crack for sure. Do you want Keeper Belfast?
Denima Counwanella anyway.
Yeah.
And
Denima She Burns.
yeah. I'll play. Do you know what I'll play? Is that one I played a few weeks ago? The Swaggering Jig, it's called. That one. Oh, tá Jimmy O'Farrell tá Harvah Sásta faoin ceann tá go léana.
5 ounce. Agus Alan Kelly, come on.
Gazetian will take a very different turn in mood and we'll play the Swaggering Jig.
Yeah.
Deadly. That's the Swaggering Jig. And I think as it's a tune from the West, you have to say it as a Swaggering Jig. But I'll play a couple more just before we finish. I was asked to play polkas last week. I didn't get around to it, so I'll play a couple now. Oh, usually I forgot actually, Stiff. You'll tell me now. What did I forget to go into?
Barney was a dinosaur.
Well, Yankee Doodle, yeah.
People,
Goes down well in the States.
there's people here talking about us wearing eyeliner, Kev.
For why?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Do you know what? I'm not. I
It's just
can't
come
dig that far back in the comments.
Yeah,
Yeah, I just saw this Shonen makeup tutorial. I was like, huh?
yeah.
I don't know the first thing about contouring.
Yeah, no, I'm nothing against it at all. It's just a
I
lot of
just
effort.
don't know.
It's just a lot of effort.
I just don't know, man. Excellent. Hole in you. Just again, the link popped up there for PayPal, and it's just such a huge help, guys. So thanks so much to everyone tonight who's after contributing, everyone over the weeks and sharing videos, sharing Shuleroon. Shuleroon hit 45,000 views.
Is it 45? Last time I checked, it was on 40.
45,000, yeah, it's 45 now already. So if we could get that to 50, that'd be unbelievable. Like, because it's only been out like 2 weeks.
3 at this stage, yeah, but it's
3. Sorry, yeah, we're coming up on 3 now. So like, it's class. Like,
it is class. Like, and everyone here liking it and sharing it. Like, we've seen a lot of it like tagged in the post like that and stuff, and it just helps so much. So honestly, thanks a million. Thanks a million to everybody out there who's been liking
so
and
yeah,
sharing.
I'll post it one more time here. The link for PayPal if anyone wants to contribute. It just goes such a long way. You have no idea. It's the whole reason we get to go recording this weekend and in a couple of weekends time as well, and get the next album out. So I'm gonna stick that in here now. So. And it is in the comments. Now, I always wonder if, because you know the way there's a delay, Stiff, when we're talking now, like
Yeah.
say it's 30 seconds later that people watching are hearing me say it. I always wonder, do like when we post the PayPal link, is it coming up like before we start talking about it?
I know. I don't know. I said it's the same. I said it's the same delay.
You'd hope so, anyway.
Yeah, yeah,
Otherwise, it's like, what's that? Oh, okay, they're talking about it.
yeah. You would hope so, right? Yeah. No. Thanks, man. We really can't emphasize enough how much you've helped us get back in studio. Like, really, truly, it's amazing.
Sweet.
Who requested this one, Kev?
I don't know who requested it. I know that Jimmy was very excited about it. I'm
Sweet.
trying to go back through the comments here and look who requested it, but it is like finding a needle in a haystack. A good complaint.
So, Jimmy, this is for you and the person who requested it.
I'm almost there. It was Susan Luster.
Susan Luster, all the way from Canada. Susan, thank you so much for being such a wonderful supporter. And yeah, this one is for you. And we'll give a secondary dedication to Jimmy as well there. She is a little explosion of hope. Never turns the lights down low. She can go there if you want her though. There are no markings on her country roads, no signs that show the way back home. But when you get there you won't wanna go. I've frozen over my desires, covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, She burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deeply, just breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. She likes to lay under the covers, oh, pretend that everywhere's our home, and keeps me warm right to my very soul. We get so tangled up it's hard to know what is yours and what's my own. Vines at the bottom of an olive grove. I've frozen over my desires, covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deeply, just breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I've frozen over my desires, I'm covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, she burns it, and she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deeply, just breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. 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 It's been a Kian Wi-Fi fans. She burns. Thank you very much for the request, Susan. Good shout there.
Lovely stuff.
You know, there's one I kind of thought I might do, Kev, actually, is that was messing around with before we came on. I don't know if people know of the song Trastan and Dunta.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how it goes. I don't never play this one, but I was just thinking about it the other day. It's a cool one.
Yeah,
for
you
people.
mentioned it actually.
Yeah, it's a cool one for people overseas who are away from home. That's what it's all about,
Yeah.
kind of being away and coming back. So I was just kind of messing around before we came on here, actually, just kind of randomly. I was thinking about it during the week, and then I thought about there, and just kind of seeing how we go. And sure, look, when in Rome.
Yeah, sweet. When in Rome, sing Trasna and Dunta.
When in Rome, and you want to come home, sing Trasna and Dunta. Trasna and Dunta. Tras na na danta gol sheer Slanish and huignis Slanish and gien Gyal e macree agus gyali and gien Gyal e the filler go heir Honnig me roen de hier again Or agus arigid saibres an tír Aidim mo chríise le brag a gach le Smeid dridim le duche mo winte Tras na na dante gul shir Slanish an nuignis slanish an gien Gyal e mo chrí agus gyal e an gien Gyal e ve fille go heire Muintir am nír ar siad cort im ó chrí Fáilte is féile bhí rúmar gachtaí A rágan san tílte se gui a mern rí Gur leosan na hínar I gíl me Tras na na danta gul sheer Slanish an nuignis slanish an gien Gyal im ó chrí agus gyal I an gien Gyal e ve fille go heir Mar friúil siar ó haid am a chrí An naim sér go hálan is tanta das ré Stúrú go díreach go dúche mo chliú Spe mé néir an máireach Tras na na danta gul sheer Slanish an nuignis slanish an gien Gyal e mo chrí agus gyal e an gien Gyal e ve fille go heir Tras na na danta gul sheer Slanish an nuignis slanish an gien Gyal e mo chrí agus gyal e an gien Gyal e ve fille go heir Tras na na danta gul sheer Slanish an nuignis slanish an gien Gyal e mo chrí agus gyal e an gien Gyal e ve fille go heir Gyal e ve fille go heir Ceann difriúil?
Go hálan. Anna das.
Barach difriúil, right? So tras na danta gul sheer So coming over the waves going back Keelan going west, but I think in this context it probably means coming back because he wouldn't be going west unless you're coming back from the UK maybe. But tras na danta gul sheer Slanish an wagness, so it's bye to the loneliness. Slanish an gien, bye to the being far awayness. Gyal e mo chrí agus gyal e an gien. My heart is bright and the sun is bright. Gyal e ve fille go heirin. So gyal e mo chrí. My heart is bright. It means like my heart. So how bright is my heart and how bright is the sun? How bright it is to be returning to Ireland. Honnig mo rohan go hirra again. I've seen enough of countries far away. Oragus arigid, saivs the teal, gold and silver riches of life. Aidin and cree on them le bracca gachle. My heart rises with the breaking of each day. It's my drizim na duchia mo wintire. And as I come get closer to the land of my ancestry. Then it goes winter near her. She'd chorde mochri. So people of the west, they are my best buddies. Falses fail be rumor gachtiv. There will be a massive celebration and welcoming for me coming home from everywhere. Arrogant and Tilsha, she guium ri. When I leave this life, I pray to the king, Guliosan a heen her a gilme, that it's those people that will put me in my grave, basically, that they'll send me off. And the last one is real sheer o Ida free. On my way back, my heart is rise my heart. And I'm sure to go hauling is tunta das ray. The weather is beautiful and the waves are nice and soft. Stúru gudírach goduchi muchliev. Directly pointed or being targeted to the homeland of when I was a child. Is Bema in Éireann na Maireach, and I will be in Ireland tomorrow. That's it. That's what that means. It's a nice one.
I'm actually in Ireland, and it makes me want to go back to Ireland.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one, all right. Trasnan and Dunta. Trasnan and Dunta.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put it up here for you if you want it. Trasnan and Dunta. Trasnan and Dunta translates to over the waves. Trasnan and Dunta. Or over the waves. Yeah, it's another traditional one.
Cool.
Yeah, there's someone there talking about Jeff Buckley there. I was listening to a podcast about Jeff Buckley. He had a great
You
connection.
recommended that to me, and you still need to listen to it.
Yeah, it's very good. He had a great connection to Ireland. He I suppose he made his name in an Irish pub in New York by playing there, really, and it was where he was spotted and picked up, and he did his first ever international gig in Ireland at Trinity Ball, would you believe?
No way.
Yeah, back years ago in the 90s, early 90s, yeah.
Yes.
And
Nonsense.
the 90s. But yeah, so and he stayed with the family of the organizer, I think, and they were all going out for drinks and stuff, and he kind of stayed in the house and stuff. He was kind of a quiet fella, apparently. Good. It was a good podcast, now, I must say. I'll throw the link up there. I don't have it.
Will you?
I sent it already, I think. Yeah, it should be in your WhatsApp there, but
Did you send me the link? You did. I'll find it.
Nach more keen to go on the but yeah, it's a good one.
Sweet.
Oam Graw, we love you. Hi from Iowa. Well, Oam Graw, there's a bit of Oam there, if you can see it. Which that actually means that says clon. Liam Jacobs, a good question there. Why is the T in Dunta big? Because the word, Liam, is tunta with no D. The D is a mutation caused by the genitive case. So whenever you say trasna, you'd say, so boher is the Irish word for road, but you'd say trasna on voher, no, on woher, depending on where you're from. Whereas tunta is the Irish for waves, and if you're speaking, you put trasna together with waves, you say trasna na dunta. You put what's called an eclipse or an uru in front of the T, and the eclipses that goes with a T is a D sound. So it's there's a bit of that going on in the Welsh too, actually. And they say croeso a Gymru instead of so Cymru is Wales, and then croeso is it A or E? Croeso E Gymru, I think is what they say. And the C changes to a G, which happens to us too. That's the eclipse for a C. For us, it's a G sound. So there's a bit of a crossover there. On digging too, yeah, good deal.
Hey.
Well, yeah, that D there is because of the question as opposed to the genitive. Look, you'll get there. But
and also the T shouldn't be capital.
yeah, not in the middle of a sentence. It's also because it's a title.
Because it's the title of the song.
Yeah, if it was
capital T, yeah.
if it was the middle of a sentence, you just leave it as a small T. But here, actually, plural the handle RT Niaka Rain Wallace.
No, Niacha Jim.
You're in fashion more on
Thumbs
official.
up, no.
You're in fashion more on really mahas o dog chef. Well, o hirach na father tail, yeah.
No, need oil man.
So Kimry becomes Gimri, as you explained, yeah. So it's I think in that case in the Welsh case it's the dative, isn't it? Because we use that for dative too. We put it in eclipses for the dative case, which is the Tishel Torach. Mar humpla Erin Mord, bored, but Erin Mord, or Baile, but Somale at home and at home. But yeah. Níl mór an fantanna bhfuil chev. Bhfuil ein túnile fociad nú an gurma ciachla siúil.
Come along, come on, Elena.
Bachel.
And then we'll go all of it slow.
Christopher, are you from Wales? You
You are right.
Are you that side of the sea? So it's very fascinating. I'm enjoying doing Duolingo is my max, and I bought a little book about Welsh phrases too. So look, I'll get there eventually. How to say dwi yn hoffi Cymraeg. I can't remember how to say it. Dwi yn hoffi Minhaw Cymraeg. No, dwi yn Minhaw Cymraeg. I'm enjoying. Is it something like that? One Irish parent and one Welsh German. Very good.
Okay.
Got a good mix going on there. But go on, Kevin.
Nations must be very back in that house.
Yeah. Fog my foot.
What did I play? Go on. No, I played that already. That's the one I was looking for. Ooh. There's my old mouse. There it is. Have I learned the Princess Royal? Princess Royal. I haven't, Susan. I must have a look at it. If you have the old notes, send them on into us on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. One of the lot. Steve, I will to rush. Oh, sorry. I have to take myself off full screen. You're muted, Stephen, are you?
I'm back again there now. Yeah, I just have the little slider here. There was one song I wanted to do actually today. Today is obviously Keith's birthday, and it's also Carolum Tomas Glynn's birthday. So that this is.
I think there's a few people actually watching as well. That there are a couple of birthdays.
There's a few birthdays today, is there?
I think so. I saw earlier in the comments, and I did mean to write it down, but I didn't write it down. I'm afraid.
Seems like a popular day for birthdays. You know John Prendergast as well.
Yes.
Yeah, it's Brella Hoshu Frishin.
Jenny Mick. Actually, I noticed that, like, as in, you know the way you get your reminders for birthdays. There's about 5 or 6 people came up today for me.
Yeah, Savage. So I'll do this one quickly, and then we don't have too much longer left really after that. But this is a song by Counting Crows. Kate's sister Katie. It's Katie's birthday. Super. Yes, this is a song by Counting Crows. That. Yeah, it just always reminds me of Tomas. I think it's just a class song. But I'll sing her now. Jeff also loves this one too, actually.
Oh, I know exactly the song you're going to play.
Friend assures me it's all or nothing. I am not worried. I am not overly concerned. My friend implores me one time only. Be like an exception. I am not worried. Wrap her up in a package of lies, send her off to a coconut island. I am not worried. I am not overly concerned with the status of my emotions. Oh, she says you're changing, we're always changing. But it does not bother me to say this isn't love. 'Cause if you don't want to talk about it, then it isn't love. Ooh, and I guess I'm gonna have to live with that, but I'm sure something in a shade of gray, or something in between, and I can always change my name if that's what you mean. My friend assures me it's all or nothing, but I am not really worried. I am not overly concerned. You try to tell yourself the things you try to tell yourself to make yourself forget. To make yourself forget. I am not worried if it's love. And she said, oh, we're gonna have to think about the consequences. I can't stop shaking, I can't stop touching her, and this time when kindness falls like rain, it washes her away. And then I begins to change her mind. The seconds when I'm shaking leaves me shuddering for days. And she said, I'm not ready for this sort of thing, when I'm not gonna break, and I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. I'm not gonna bend, I'm not gonna break, I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. No, 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 no. It seems like I should say, as long as this is love, but it's not all that easy. So maybe I should snap her up in a butterfly net, pin her down on a photograph album. I am not worried, I've done this sort of thing before. Oh, but then I start to think about the consequences, 'cause I don't get no sleep in a quiet room, and the time kindness falls like rain, it washes me away. And then I begins to change my mind. And every time she sneezes, I believe it's love. And oh Lord, I'm not ready for this sort of thing. She's talking in her sleep, it's keeping me awake. And then I begin toss and turn, and every word is nonsense, but I understand. And oh Lord, I'm not ready for this sort of thing. Her kindness bangs a gun, it's moving me along, and it begins to fade away. It's chasing me away. She disappears, and oh Lord, I'm not ready for this sort of thing. Oh Lord, I'm not ready for this sort of thing. Oh Lord, I'm not ready for this sort of thing. Hey, that was Anna Begins. Class song, in my opinion, by Counting Crows and Adam Duritz. Yeah, chin chin. Watch
Class.
back.
Good man. Good man. That was class. I do love that song. I actually texted Moss Brella on it while you were playing it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, only half
I was
half
just
an
like,
hour
oh
left.
shit! I actually intended on doing it earlier today and just put it
Yeah,
off. So I just got it in with a half an hour to spare.
yeah. Hopefully, I'm getting seeing it this weekend now, so that should be good.
Oh, good stuff.
Looking forward to that now.
Yes.
Mas tú go an críoch leis sin is tá an seáile ggóir go leúil tú gur chun
Yeah.
le.
Yeah, correct.
Right.
Well, Misha. Speed.
Spíntaach smach, sin go an críoch leis sin is. Agus fecin mu
Yeah.
sin. Ach, yeah, so listen, we're going to finish up with one more here. I want to say massive thank you again to everybody who has tipped and who has supported us and who has filled us in with your comments and your conversation, your chat and stuff. It really adds to the whole night, and thank you so much for being here, and we really appreciate you. It's oh jeez, like it makes everything better. Like it really does. That the whole process of being in Sholane and going recording and knowing that we have people to show things to, even that kind of that side to it too, is just it's powerful. So good of mille magui. Thank you very much for all that. But yeah,
Like as in, like, I know we say it time and time again, and it just makes such a huge difference. So thanks so much to everyone. One last time.
yeah. Before I sing the last song, we might do a little bit of a happy birthday.
Oh yeah. I would sing along, but it'll be like 5 seconds behind you. Or not 5, but.
L'obre sonnerit, l'obre sonnerit, l'obre sonnekito, l'obre sonnerit, l'obre sonnerit, l'obre sonnerit, l'obre sonnekito, l'obre sonnerit. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños, Keith. Cumpleaños feliz. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keith. Happy birthday to you.
Brella Soniquito.
Feliz aniversario. Yeah, sir. Yeah, so could have been ish. I would finish it up with the old parting glass.
Oh, lovely. Right. Slán fóil gachtainna.
Slán go chort. Slán go fóil chort. Slán go young calf. Love. Love all the money that e'er I've had, I've spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. For all I've done, for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And if I had money enough to spend, and leisure time to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town, and she surely has my heart beguiled. her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips. I own she has my heart in thrall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And of all the comrades that e'er I've had, they are sorry for my going away. And of all the sweethearts that e'er I've had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and I'll softly call. Good night and joy be with you all. Good night and joy be with you all. Sinní go níche nocht a cháirde in ngáras a géin. Tá ma súl gomórla sé beáil an tachtan se hogan. They're drín a bhés on the east. So that's it for tonight. Thank Focus Thursday tonight. We'll be back again next week on Thursday again, as next week is a big weekend for us with the studio coming up. So yeah, we'll see you then. Thank Focus Thursday. Míle buíochas as gachrat. Slán.